Hey, I heard you were trying to write custom codes for your WIX website. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get to the custom code settings for your WIX website, or in your WIX website settings. Your WIX website settings, your custom code settings in your WIX website settings. It's a little bit of tongue twister. Let's skip it. Let's get right to it. Let's go. Boom. So you want to essentially just go to your settings as we did previously. Go to your settings on the left side of your bar and you'll see custom code. These are all the advanced options, but custom code, you're going to go ahead and hit that. Now you might be asking, like, why would I need a custom code? This is essentially if you want to embed APIs, if you want to embed HTML codes, things like that. You want to embed JavaScript codes, things of that nature. If you're interested in that, this is where you find those settings, right? Now, we can't necessarily do that because this isn't a premium site, but if you go back to how to manage your site member settings, or no? Is it manage your plan? Go back to manage your plan. You can essentially manage your plan where you get the premium plan where you can do custom code, right? Or you can just connect now, hit upgrade now, whatever the case may be. But this will allow you to write snippets of code. Again, you might, if you are interested in this part, this is where you find it. This is one of them short lessons, but this is where you find it. Again, why it's important, if you're embedding anything, I'm not going to give you ideas, but if you're embedding anything, you can embed it into your site by simply first having the proper plan, but then at the same time you can find it right here and yeah, work it like that. So with that being said, boom, so there it is. That's how you get to where you can essentially set up the settings for your custom code. Again, I didn't get to really show you because this is not the premium plan, but it gives you the place where you can find those settings to go ahead and start to build out the API, or where you would place the API and get, the ball rolling with that. So if this is helpful to you, make sure you go to digitalrem.com, or if this is helpful to you, make sure you like this video first, subscribe to our channel, and then more than likely, if you are watching this particular video, then you are already advanced in web development and you know a little bit about coding. So if that is you, make sure you comment below and tell us what kind of code are you using, or what are you trying to embed, or tell us more about the code that you're using for your WIX website. We'd love to learn more. So that being said, I will see you all in the next lesson. Later, y'all.